Hello, and welcome to 5 a Week with Sir Kobe. 5 a Week is a series of episodes educating young people about various life lessons and facts, ideas, common knowledge, and anything concerning high school. Every Tuesday, we'll be introducing a topic which will raise 5 key points. We'll be exploring topics like 5 ways to succeed as a young person in Ghana, 5 ways to identify your gifts and talents, 5 things you should know about sex and relationships, 5 facts about high school, and 5 things that you should never do online. Feel free to send us topics that we'll explore or discuss, and remember to like and comment as well as subscribe to our channel because there are more things that are coming in the future. So for today's topic, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that you should know about Inside High School magazine. Point 1. We do only high schools. So I'm going to explain further what I mean by this point 1. So, Inside High School magazine is fully focused on high school students, high school contents, anything that is concerning high schools. In order to be a part of us, you must be in high school to be on our page, or in order to sort of contribute to the magazine itself, you have to be a high school student. Your pictures and content has to be about your school, because we are more about showcasing your school, showcasing you and your school. So pictures that are sent to us that are in house clothing will not be uploaded in our magazine as well as on our pages. So we are fully high school and focused on high school. That is the first point. Now, point 2 is our representatives. Our representatives they are very, very key and important to us. Who are our representatives? Our representatives are ambassadors and agents. Now, ambassadors are individuals that represent us in their schools. They are the main source to go to, the main people that we communicate with when we want to speak to your schools and your leadership. The main head of every school is an ambassador, and an agent is someone who supports the ambassador to sort of gather the contents that they need for our magazine, get the pictures, as well as gather you the students in your schools when we are coming over for any activities or anything, to give you the information that you need. So the agents are sort of like the assistants to the ambassadors, and these people are very, very important to us. We really cherish our agents and ambassadors. We work with them on projects. During the episodes in the series, you see more contribution from our agents and ambassadors, their talents and their gifts. Now, the third one is our competition. Now, in a way, as a way of giving back to you young people, we usually hold competitions, weekly competitions, daily competitions, just to reward you for what you are doing in your school, as well as showcase your talents. So far, we've had a lot of competitions. We've had dancing competition, a rap challenge, we've had a writers competition, a poetry competition, and we're about to do more competitions. Now, to be involved in these competitions, all we are asking for you to do is follow us on our social media platforms, so that when these things come up, you can contribute to it and be a part of it. The next challenges or competitions that are coming up, we are having a food challenge. This was something suggested by you students. We are having a textile challenge. We're going to have a dance challenge again. We're going to have poetry. We're going to have arts and visual challenge. So there are lots of challenges that are coming out, and out of all these challenges, we reward people. For our rap challenge, the winner is actually going to get 100 Ghana cedi to put in their pocket. In the near future, it could be more, but then just join us, and this is an opportunity. We showcase you on our platforms. We let everybody know who you are. We share your handles, your Instagram handles, your Facebook handles, so people can contact you and get to know you. So make sure to be a part of our competitions. Now, another thing that is very key to us is our plans for the future, and that's point 4, our plans for the future. So we're planning massive things. We're planning massive things for the future. Some of our plans plans are a high school tour for students in high school. So we plan on bringing celebrities and people already in the industry to you, so they can speak to you, they can share their experiences with you and help guide you through your course and your decision making. So in high school, usually we build relationship in high schools, we get to know each other, we get to know ourselves in high schools. But during high schools, we're not able to really know where we are going. There are some cases where we say we want to be doctors, but we identify in high school that we're actually not good at chemistry, or we are not good at anything. It's where you identify who you are. So when these individuals come in and they teach you about things that are happening out there, you can then use that to identify yourself, as well as choose the career that you're going to follow up after you're done with high school. So at the high school tour is for you, where we'll bring celebrities in the music industries, we'll bring people in the banking industries, people in the art, fashion, modeling industries, all across the nation, to come and sort of give you some advice on how to go about your life, how you can make it in life. That is point 4. There are many other plans. We are planning photo shoots for you guys. So the plan is to cover 80% of high schools in Ghana by 2021. That we should have covered all high schools, at least 80% of high schools in Ghana. So we plan on coming to the Volta region, Upper West region, Upper East region, the Northern region. We plan on exploring all the regions in Ghana. We want to cover your school. It doesn't matter with high school, inside High School Magazine, it doesn't really matter what school you are in. The key thing is that you are a high school student, and we are willing to showcase your schools and showcase you as an individual as well in your schools. So do well to follow us on our platforms, our social media platforms. Our hashtag is @InsideHighMag, and you will learn more about the plans that we have for the future once school starts. Now, to the very last one, which is the fifth one, the fifth thing which is very key to us, is we hate liars and deceivers. There are many people who come to our page and they tell us that they are people that they are not. We had cases where people have come to our page and said they are students of, let's say, Pope Jones, when they are students of Nyatre Secondary School, just because they are shy and they feel that if I say I come from Nyatre or something secondary school, they may not want to work with me. Inside High School Magazine, it's not like that. Don't come to us and deceive us of something that you are or you are not. Don't come and message us and tell us you are an agent or ambassador when you are not, because we know our agents and ambassador. So come to us sincerely. Let us know what it is that you are messaging us about. Don't beat about the bush. Go straight to the point. Don't try to deceive anyone. It is very key that you do not lie or deceive us, because it disqualifies you from our record. We delete you, we block you when we see that you are a deceiver. So be someone who is focused, know what you're about, know what you want, and when you come to us, go straight to the point. Inside High School Magazine believe in the truth, and we believe in pushing you as students. Whichever way we can support you, we will do to support you. So do not lie or deceive us. Remember to subscribe to our channel. This is 5 a week with Sir Kobe. Remember to subscribe to our channel, comment and like it, share with your friends so they know, because there are more topics that are coming. As you found out, we have topics that are coming. 5 ways to succeed as a young person in Ghana. 5 things to know about sex and relationships. 5 ways to it's massive, and it's everything that is involving you as a young person. If there are topics that you want us to discuss as a young person, as an individual, you want us to talk about, write it in the comment box, the comment section right underneath us. Write it there and tell us, and we will put it down in our episode to discuss it and to explore it further, so you can learn about it. Remember, subscribe, share, like. Thank you so much for joining us.